Hello everyone, it's me, Javi. Welcome back. And in today's video, we're going to be making chocolate chip peanut butter cookies. Now these cookies are the best cookies of all time. These cookies are purely amazing. There's only a few ingredients, only 4 ingredients that you need to make these cookies, and you cook them in 8 to 10 minutes, and once you eat them, they melt and dissolve in your mouth. So if you love chocolate peanut butter cookies, then this is a video you need to watch. To get started, we need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Let's get all the ingredients. So you're gonna need a cup of peanut butter. Make sure it's creamy. Creamy peanut butter is the only good peanut butter. No one eats chunky peanut butter, and if you do, you're just crazy, because creamy peanut butter is the way to go. It's smooth. It's the best peanut butter of all time. A cup of brown sugar. Half a cup of chocolate chip cookies. What I also use is peanut butter chips. These are amazing. I put a little bit of these to give it more of that peanut butter flavor. Teaspoon of baking soda. And lastly, 1 large egg. 1 cup of brown sugar. Little bit over a cup of peanut butter. I like that peanut butter flavor. Oh my god, this is gonna be a pain in the ass to clean. There was a point in the period where I would make these once a day, and we would the whole family would destroy a whole batch. 1 large egg. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. You just mix this bowl, which it's actually a pain. I honestly love baking. Baking is the best thing ever. It's so fun. I love eating raw cookie dough, no matter what cookie dough is. I don't care, it's so good. Oh my god, cookie dough is amazing. I love cookie dough. Okay, so now we're gonna put in the half cup of chocolate chip cookies. I'm making these for my grandparents. It's actually my grandparents' birthday. My grandpa's birthday. And my grandpa's, I don't know how old he's turning, but I just wanted to make him some cookies. I know he has a sweet tooth. And so I know he's gonna love these. A handful, maybe 2 handfuls. I'm using non-stick spray pan, and I'm just gonna spray a thin layer. Place your chocolate chip cookies. I use about this size. This is a good decent size because they expand a lot, surprisingly. Bro, I'm drooling right now. So I got more than 12. Oh, oops, darn it. Put this in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. So I like to do around 8 minutes and 30 seconds. So I'm gonna put the total amount of calories right here. Oh, they're ready. They come out really soft, and when you get them, you're gonna think they're too soft, but just let them cool down, and then they'll get hard, like a cookie. Let the cookies cool down for at least 5 minutes. I'm telling you, if you make these cookies at home, you won't regret it. These are the best cookies that you'll ever make, and especially using 4 ingredients, you're gonna sure to love them. And oh my god, if you love peanut butter cookies, trust me, you have to make this recipe. If you love peanut butter, you have to make this recipe. If you love cookies, you have to make this recipe. If you like cookies dissolving in your mouth and turning caramelizing, you have to try this recipe. And please, I recommend 1000% you try this at home. The main ingredient to making these cookies is love. I'm playing, guys. I'm playing. Thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it. I really do love you guys. Have a great day, and please be safe out there. I'll talk to you guys later. Goodbye.